Ceramic baking cups are a versatile and eco-friendly alternative to traditional paper or aluminum baking cups. There are many products available to choose ceramic baking cups, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best ceramic baking cups from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. One More Ramkins. One More ceramic ramekins are a set of 6-8 Oz cups with silicone covers that provide a final line of defense for your food, keeping it fresh for later. The lead-free and cadmium-free ceramic base allows for even heat absorption in the oven, while the cover perfectly holds the heat temperature longer, ensuring your family and guests can enjoy warm and delicious foods. These ramekins are also great for serving fruits, desserts, or baked goods in style, making them perfect for parties and entertaining. With superior durability and being dishwasher safe, they are easy to organize and stack, saving space in your kitchen or restaurant. They also make a stunning gift option for your loved ones on special occasions such as Mother's Day, birthdays, anniversaries, wedding registries, or Christmas. Number 2. Samsul Porcelain Ramekins 4 Oz Oven Safe. Samsul Porcelain Ramekin Set is a versatile and convenient addition to your kitchen. These small soufflé dishes are perfect for desserts like crème brûlée, ice cream, and soufflés. They are also great for serving small items like dips and toppings. Made of fine porcelain, these ramekins are oven, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, making them easy to use and clean. The exquisite design with vertical lines and pure white color adds a touch of elegance to your table. The stackable feature saves space in your cabinet. With a capacity of 4 Oz, this set of 6 ramekins ensures you have enough for your needs. Plus, Samsul offers a lifetime guarantee on these dishes, ensuring your satisfaction. Number 3. Malacasa Ramekins. Introducing the malacasa ramekins with lids, the perfect solution for all your food storage needs. These versatile ramekins come with lids that provide coverage and a secure seal, keeping your food fresh and preventing leaks. Made of durable porcelain, these ramekins are anti-chip, scratch-resistant, and easy to clean. They are also dishwasher safe, oven safe, and freezer safe. With a maximum capacity of 8 ounces, these ramekins are perfect for serving cake, quiches, chocolate mousse, and more. Unlike plastic or metal containers, these porcelain ramekins are eco-friendly and microwave-safe. With their convenient size and functional design, these ramekins are a must-have in any kitchen. Plus, your purchase is backed by a 12-month warranty, ensuring your satisfaction. Upgrade your food storage game with the malacasa ramekins with lids today. Number 4. Vancasso Forte 8 Oz Ramekin Set. The vancasso ramekin set is a versatile and elegant addition to your kitchen. With an 8 Oz capacity, these ramekins are the perfect size for single servings of crème brûlée, soufflés, custards, and more. They allow you to control portion sizes and present your dishes beautifully. Made from premium porcelain, these ramekins are durable and heat-resistant, ensuring they can withstand the rigors of everyday use. The sleek white color and smooth finish add a touch of sophistication to your table setting, making them ideal for both casual and formal occasions. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the non-stick glazed surface, which ensures effortless food release. The vancasso ramekin set is a long-lasting and scratch-resistant option, thanks to its high-quality construction. Free of harmful substances like PBA, lead, and cadmium, these ramekins are safe for food preparation. Overall, this set offers convenience, durability, and elegance for all your baking and serving needs. Number 5. Latasa Ramekins. Latasa ramekins are versatile and durable ceramic bowls that are perfect for baking, serving, and storing a variety of dishes. With their newly upgraded oven-safe silicone lids, these 8 Oz ramekins seal in freshness, making them ideal for leftovers and convenient food reheating. The transparent lids allow you to easily see what's inside, making grabbing a treat easier than ever. The interior and exterior glaze of these ramekin dishes make cleaning a breeze, while their stackable design ensures seamless storage. Crafted from high-quality stoneware, these ramekins are freezer-safe, microwave oven-safe, and resistant to absorbing food odors or flavors. They are also a stunning gift choice for any occasion, making special moments even more memorable. That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.